Hello guys, this is Shan and you're watching Mediocre Lifestyle. So guys, today I'm gonna share a healthy soup recipe with you all. It's very easy, very healthy. Please do try this at home and please let us know in the comments how you liked it. So these are the ingredients we need. At first, put some butter in a pan or in a kadai. I'm using a kadai. Then put the beans and stir it well. Then goes in the chopped cabbage. Add some salt as per your taste and cook it well until that yellowish color comes. Please cover it and cook. I forgot to show you the covered part. So this is the yellow color I was talking about. Now add some water in it. So after cooking for a while, it will look like this. So then comes the milk, which adds the color and the flavor in it. So now add arrowroot, or you can use cornflour. I am using arrowroot. Now stir it well until that thickness comes. So now it's pretty thick. Now you're good to add black pepper in it and ready to serve. So now let's add black pepper and serve it hot. The outcome looks very tasty. Do try this at home and please like the video, share the video and also please subscribe the channel. So guys, if you find the video helpful, please like the video, share the video and also subscribe the channel.